So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very, very special guest with us today. We have with us Colonel Rajesh Shrivastava and Madam Shrivastava. Colonel Sir is 65 years of age from Noida, and the coach is Jyoti Chaudhary. So, I want to discuss some health history about Colonel Saab, and then we'll discuss, how the journey was. So, Colonel Shrivastava had 3 heart failures in the last 4 months before joining Go Nature, and felt very weak and breathless. Could not walk even few steps. Now walks without any breathlessness. 40% heart muscles are dead, was weak and energyless, now feels energetic. He had pneumonia, and only now in the reports, only patch seen of the entire water is dried up, and fluid in lungs. So he has gone through 4 times aspiration done, or fluid drained was 1300 milliliter, 1800 milliliter from lungs, third time 1100 milliliter, and fourth time it was 2 liters. Now no aspiration required and water drying on its own. Right? Doctor has said first time in 2 years they could hear the air passage sound while checking lungs. Swelling is in lungs, in legs is gone. Fungal infection is gone. Bowel movement is fine. No fluid formations in lungs now. Right? Skin color improved. Earlier used to have look dark and sick, getting compliments from people. He had stopped meeting and visiting friends, now started socializing with friends and family. Energy and stamina has increased, goes for walk, hunger has increased, hernia problem has improved, eyesight improved, blood urea levels come down remarkably, sits and stands up on his own, gut health improved, and medicines which are stopped. He was taking 12 medicines are stopped, 2-3 medicines are still going. In the coming 2-3 months, that will also be tapered. So, and his insulin has also been tapered. Few insulin is still there. I think 12 unit he was taking. Now he's taking 8 unit, but soon this will also be tapered. And out of 15 tablets that he was taking in one day, 12 tablets has been gone. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me please invite Colonel Rajiv and Madam Colonel Rajesh Shrivastava and Madam Shrivastava. Over to you, sir. How has been your journey? Yeah.
Well, it all started in 2022.
Yes, sir.
When I had a swelling in my leg, I had my NDA get together. There I found swelling on my leg. I went to the doctors and the doctors couldn't give me any reply. On 31st August 23, I had my first heart failure. Thereafter, by 14th of December, I had my second heart failure, and the third heart failure took place on 4th of January. Vishal, that is the time when I saw Go Nature and I saw the program of Go Nature, because my wife used to keep looking for options कि किसी तरह इसकी दवाइयाँ ठीक नहीं हो रही हैं, इसकी दवाइयाँ ठीक करें.
Can I take over?
Yes.
So thank you so much, Vishal and Go Nature.
Okay.
I mean, this has been a journey from hopelessness to hope. That is what I can say. So it was like he was taking around 16 tablets a day, almost bedridden. Okay, at the most he could manage going to the washroom, but yes, lying on the bed, not being able to do anything. Medicines, we were taking care of him, caregiving was there, the best that could be done. But the thing was, it has been a journey. Like, it happened in 2023. We joined much later. I wish I had found your program earlier, and thank you for that I opted for your intro talk that was there. And I remember he getting so angry कि क्या क्या करते रहते हो. I remember, I think we paid initially 47 rupees. Says कि ठीक है, वो तो ज़्यादा amount नहीं है, but why go in for all that? And it was he was getting irritated. He was sitting there listening to everything that was happening, and by the time the program was coming to an end, he said कि मेरे को अभी gold membership चाहिए. And I said कि he said Vishal has said that I have to attend the high workshop first. He said no, I can't wait. And that is when I contacted the person concerned and I said, I can't wait. He says it has to be immediate. And I had to do all those, that initial hard work simply because कि अभी mood बना है, कब mood बदल जाए पता नहीं.
Right.
And that is how he became a gold member and we started our journey with Jyoti ji. I'm so grateful to her for her patience and for her guidance. It has been every small thing she has been taking care of. Thank you. Thank
Amazing.
you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Colonel Srivastava and Madam Srivastava. Let me come to the angel coach, Jyoti Chaudhary. So, Jyoti
Yeah.
Chaudhary, Madam, over to you. How has been the journey? Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, Colonel Rajiv and Neeti, for coming for this testimonial. And before I move on, I must say Neeti also is my gold client now. Because after taking care of Rajiv and seeing the kind of improvement he showed, she also has enrolled for board. So a very good evening to each one sitting in the room, and good evening, Vishal and Colonel Rajiv and Neeti.
Yeah.
Vishal, to begin with, I think I really need to thank you for believing in me, for giving me this huge responsibility. As Neeti said, the way she has taken a decision, I think when I, got a call from Neeti, actually I was totally flabbergasted. I was speechless. I actually was nervous. I just didn't know how I'm going to handle this case of a person, of an army official personnel who has so many heart failures, lung issues, diabetes, like endless issues. How am I going to deal with it? I think it wouldn't have been possible without, Vishal, your guidance, your constant support, your belief in me, having faith in me. That's what made me move forward. And coming to Neeti and Rajiv, I think they have been the most wonderful couple. How devoted Neeti was to Rajiv has to be seen, because she has been running pillar to post like a strong pillar of strength for Rajiv. And all the improvement which you have just mentioned is because of Neeti's strong will, her kind of dream to see her husband in good health. She actually did not worry about what's happening to her until the time I told her, Neeti, you also need to take care of yourself. She's such a devoted wife. Whatever kasha, kara, she's been running pillar to post just to arrange things. And she tells me, Jyoti, subah hoti hai to main shuru hoti hu, sham hoti to it's Rajiv. It was so overwhelming for me at times. So, actually, it gives me pride in, saying that I took care of yourself, and I helped you to reverse your health issues in whatever little way I could. So thank you so much, Neeti and Colonel Rajiv, for believing in me, for giving me this opportunity. And I really pray and wish that whatever little is left, 2-3 medicines are left, that also, very soon they will be reversed. And more power to both of you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Gratitude to you, heartfelt gratitude. I mean, the way you have taken care, the way you have handled us. At times when Rajiv was ready to give up, you gave me that thing, go ahead, no, don't give up, don't give up. But it was because of your dedication to Jyotiji that things happened the way they have happened. That Rajiv has been able to get over his, he didn't want to have millets so much, but now he's ready to have millets. Khichdi koi baat nahi, kha lenge, sab kuch hai. So all those things earlier, food used to be an issue when it started. There were times when he was ready to give up also, but I said, see, it is with your willingness that we took this program. How can you let it be? And then there was this thing, if you remember, had called you and told you that he is choking over his food. That I think was amazing. That was amazing, absolutely. The way you gave me that little thing to do with water, and it worked. Within 3 days, he was okay. So that was something so amazing, I can't tell you.
Not only that, the thing, Vishal, which I liked most was when I was listening to your program, initially I got irritated. Then I said, अगर कुछ नहीं काम कर रहा, ये ट्राई करने में कोई हर्जा तो है नहीं. And it's not much of an amount.
But I was convinced.
She was convinced, but I said, let me give it a try. And I saw your programs thereafter, one after the other. And the more I saw it fit, Vishal convinced me more and more that it was possible by naturopathy to cure yourself. Your story yourself was inspiring. And thereafter, the actions that Jyoti ji and you took to help me out were wonderful.
Thank you.
So it's
Thank you so much.
heartfelt gratitude for Go Nature, for Vishal Saini, and for Jyoti Chaudhary. All
मैडम,
these.
भारतीय सेना की कर्नल को ठीक करना मतलब हमारा
हाँ.
छाती फक्र से
I know
शौक
we,
हो गया, हमारा उद्धार हो गया, हम ये सेवा का मौका मिला। शिव जी कितने
और
खुश होंगे आप देखो।
Yeah.
अभी उनसे मैं नंबर आज बोलूंगा, भाई साहब सर शिव जी नंबर नोट कर लो, मतलब ये वाला केस स्टडी नोट कर लो।
So Colonel Rajiv has served the country and he gave us a chance to serve him. So I think that debt of gratitude actually is to be paid to you. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you so much.
thank you so much. Thank you. We are grateful.
Everybody just type MPTY for Colonel Rajiv, Madam Niti, and Jyoti Chaudhary madam. Just type MPTY. More power to you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, Jyoti Chaudhary ma'am. Amazing story. Thank you so much. More power to both all of you.